Hello everyone, my name is Myron with Bobcat of Portland. Listen, I really appreciate you taking time to watch this quick video today. What I'm going to cover today is kind of an industry exclusive that Bobcat has, and it's the Bobcat Extendable Arm machines. We have it in 3 different classes. We have it in a 35, and in a 42, and in a 60. Between the 3, the 35 is going to add 30 inches of reach. The 42 is going to add 24, and the 60 is going to add 30 inches of reach. This really allows you to have the great breakout force of a short arm, but then it also allows you to reach longer than a traditional long arm will, so you're not repositioning the machine near as often. You can save money and time during your work. So what we're going to do here real quick, I'm going to jump in these, show you how it works, and then we'll talk to you in a minute. Folks, 3 classes of Bobcat excavators that offer the extendable arm features. We'd love to help you out in your business this year. Feel free to give me a call. My direct number here is 503-490-3289. Love to help you get the machine. Let's go get some dirt and make some money.